Hello and welcome to the next in the series of short videos from Global Clamps. In this clip we will cover various assembly tips and specifications on the Kale hose clamp range. Firstly, when deciding on what size to use, we recommend that the size selected is as close as practical to the diameter of the fitted hose. This will ensure the clamps deliver the highest amount of clamping load, as opposed to clamps working at the low end of their range, which tend to lose clamping force through ovality. Secondly, clamps with a long tail could not only foul other components, but become an OH&S risk when working around the assembly, especially when fitted in restricted workplaces like engine bays. On torque, we recommend that clamps are torqued to specific recommendations to ensure best fit and load spread. All 9mm bandwidth clamps should be torqued to 3 Nm plus or minus 0.5 of a Newton, and all 12mm clamps should be torqued to 5 Nm plus or minus 0.5 of a Newton. Over-tightening will have a negative effect on clamping load, contrary to what many people may tend to think. The reality is that once you hit the top of the torque curve, clamping load will start to reduce. This will subsequently have a negative effect on sealing the joint. As you can imagine, severe over-tightening will lead to stripping the thread, no different to any other type of fastener, like head bolts. Also, in a production environment, when using a power tool or nut driver, we recommend that the torque speed should not exceed 300 to 350 RPM. Otherwise, you will be creating far too much friction, which again will have a negative effect on the clamp's performance. Just another tip, standard worm drive clamps are static, meaning once assembled they have no further movement. However, the joint itself can have movement. This is especially common with new hoses, where it's normal for there to be changes in hose diameters following a thermocycle, e.g. the heating and cooling of the system. This is also common with silicone hoses, for example those used in turbo applications. Therefore, we recommend checking and retensioning the clamps again post-cycle. To overcome the problems we've just explained, we also offer a range of worm drive clamps with integrated spring, which changes its function from static to dynamic. We'll highlight these clamps in a separate clip. Thanks for joining us again. If you need more details on any of our products, just give the team at Global Clamps a call and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for your attention.